Good morning, all of you. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to solve the programming in Python 10 week 9, which due date is 19 October 2024. Okay. Hi, I'm Anand Shah. My research area is cloud computing, IoT software engineering. I am 2023 GATE qualified and I have 17 plus years of experience. I am an IT trainer and research scholar of CV Raman Global University. Now let's start the assignment 9 of July 2024. Here you can see CEC programming in Python. Okay. Here you can find 10 questions and we will try to solve the 10 questions as soon as possible. Before that, guys, I'm like to show my progress here. The assignment score C, you can my assignment 1 July 2024 score is 100 out of 100 and assignment 2 100 out of 100. Now let's start the week 9. Okay, the functions and quiz 9 or assignment quiz 9. Okay, let's start. So the first question here you can find what is a function in Python. What is a function in Python? A piece of code. Function means a piece of code that can be reused to perform a specific task. Here, option A is the right answer. We can here verify a little bit more explanation to you. Function in Python are reusable blocks of codes that encapsulates a specific task. Okay, making your code more organized and efficient. So here option 1 will the 1A will be the right answer. Moving to the question number 2. What is the correct syntax for defining a function in Python? Correct syntax is define functions underscore name within the brackets. Okay, within the parentheses. See, def functions underscore name within the parentheses. The def keyword is used to define a function in the Python, followed by the function name and parentheses containing any parameters. Okay, so 2 option B is the right answer. Moving to the question number 3. Here, what will be the output of the following code? Okay, so simply it is a print program hello on comma world. It will you can see by putting this in your online compiler. You can see I'm just pressing the code. Just a minute, I'm pressing the code here. Just a minute, I'm pressing the code here. Yeah, you can see. You can see I'm pasting the code here and simply running the program. What will be the output? You can see, guys, hello, comma, world. Okay, so answer will be the hello, comma, world. Option B is the right answer. Clear? 3 option B is the right answer. 3 option B is the right answer. See, the greet function prints only hello, comma, world to the console. Moving to the question number 4, which of the following is used to call a function in Python? To call a function, you can see function underscore name parenthesis. See, to call a function, you can simply write the function name followed by the parenthesis. So here option C is the right answer. Okay, C option, not B option. This is C options. Okay, moving to the question number 5. Which keyword is used to create a lambda function in the Python? Simply to call or to create a lambda function in Python, okay, you have to use lambda, LMBDA, lambda. Okay, so 5 option A is the right answer. 5 option A, lambda. The lambda keyword is used to create anonymous or unnamed functions often referred to as a lambda functions. So you can use the lambda. Moving to the question number 6, add a lambda. Simply 2 variables are given and their values are given, that is 3 and 4. Whenever you are going to add, it will give the result 3 plus 4 equal to 7. See, 3 plus 4 equal to 7. The lambda function takes two arguments, that is called x and y, and returns their sums when called with add functions. Okay, add 3 plus 4. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. The result is equal to 7. So moving to the question number 7, what happens? What happens if the number of arguments passed to a functions does not match the function definitions? If it does not match the function definitions, it will show the Python will raise a type error. Python will raise a type error. If the number of arguments passed to a function doesn't match the function definition, Python will raise a type error here. So option B, 7 option B is the right answer. Moving to the question number 8, what is the scope of a local variable in Python? What is the scope? Scope is it can be accessed only within a functions where it is defined. Okay, as it is a local variable, not global, it is a local variable. See, local variables have a local scope. Okay, meaning they can be accessed within the functions, within the specific function where they are defined. Okay, so 8 option B is the right answer. Moving to the question number 9, see which of the following is a valid example of default argument in Python. The default argument means 9 option A, if my function xy equal to 10. Okay, xy equal to 10, that is equal to option A, 9 option A. This is a valid example of a default argument. The argument y has a default value of 8. Y has a default value of 10, meaning it can be omitted when calling the functions. It can be omitted while calling the functions. So 9 option A is the right answer. Moving to the question number 10, that is called the last questions. Which type of function does not have a name in Python? Okay, that is called lambda functions. That is called lambda functions. See, in case of lambda functions are anonymous. Lambda functions are anonymous functions and do not have any specific name. That's why the lambda type function does not have a name in Python. Okay, guys, we have attempted all the questions. Once again, we have to verify the answer. Question number 1, option A. Question number 2, option B. Question number 3, option B. Question number 4, option C. Question number 5, option A. Question number 6, also option A. Question number 7, option B. Question number 7, option B. Question number 8, option B. Question number 9, option A. And question number 10, option B. Now I click on submit the answer button. See, you can get the message here. Your answer are successfully submitted. You can see, guys, assignment submitted on this date. Thank you for taking the assignment of 9 July 2024. Okay, guys, I hope you will enjoy this video. And if you enjoy, I hope you will subscribe my channel and share, like and share my channel to the others so that the other people or other students can be get benefited. Till then, I hope you must take care of yourselves, prepare for the examinations very well, and bye.